Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get different shields in Monopoly Go. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. So as you can see right here, I have different shields. Now it's a newly added update, so here's how you do it. Now basically I got this first shield that I'm using right now from the event right here, like Siri Cleanup. But the previous one, not this one, but the previous event. So that's one way of getting shield skins or different shields in Monopoly Go. And another way that I've seen of how you can get different shields in Monopoly Go is by completing your weekly requirements. So as you can see right here, the weekly prize was this shield right here, the black and white one, which you can see in my showroom as well. So those are two ways of getting shield skins, either from the current event, the temporary or the daily events, or from completing your weekly requirements. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.